Hey strength seekers, today we are spotlighting the Titan Fitness plate-loaded specialty shoulder press machine, your new best friend for sculpting rock-solid delts. This freestanding powerhouse lets you crank out isolated shoulder presses and delt raises with independent, pivoting handles that lock in perfect form every rep. Key features and specifications. Built on a rugged to 11-gauge steel frame with a durable powder coat finish, this machine offers times 700 pounds weight capacity across 4 Olympic-sized plate sleeves, times adjustable seat, 17-20 height in 1 increments to fit athletes of all sizes, times 10 forearm pads and sealed bearings for smooth, fluid motion, times spring-loaded raised lockout on the shoulder press for full stretch overload, times compact footprint, 65H times 39L times 35W. 149 pounds product weight. Price. On Titan's site, this specialty shoulder press runs about $554.97. Pros and cons. Pros. Times exceptional deltoid isolation and balanced bilateral movement. Times smooth sealed bearings eliminate jerky starts and stops. Times adjustable lockout gives you full range overload or safety stops. Times heavy duty build stands up to serious plate loaded training. Cons. Times plates sold separately, so factor in extra cost. Times large and heavy, needs dedicated gym space and help for assembly. Times no built-in storage, so you'll need a rack for your plates. Customer reviews summary. With an average 4.5 out of 5 stars from 59 reviews, users rave about its rock-solid construction, buttery smooth action, and the way it burns the delts into oblivion. A few mention that setup takes patience and you'll need to clear enough room. But once it's dialed in, it's a monster machine for shoulder growth. Should you buy it or not? If you are dead serious about carving out defined, powerful shoulders and you've got the plates and space to support a true plate-loaded unit, this Titan specialty shoulder press is a top-tier pick. Just be prepared for assembly, a slightly higher price point, and rounding up your own weight plates to really unleash those gains.